working in cardiology or medical research and have an EKG data file. This contains heart rhythm recordings from electrocardiogram equipment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these electrocardiogram data files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small EKG errors. Take a shortcut and download now. An EKG file stores digital data from an electrocardiogram, which records the heart's electrical activity. Medical professionals and patients use specialized software to open these files to view, analyze, and diagnose cardiac rhythms and abnormalities. The user's primary intent is to visualize waveform data for health assessment. Typically a proprietary binary format designed for efficient storage and rapid retrieval of time series data. The structure contains patient metadata, sampling rates, and arrays of signal amplitude values. This compact binary design is optimized for performance in medical diagnostic applications, ensuring data integrity and quick loading. Most users will find that CardioSoft ECG Viewer developed by GE Healthcare is the best tool for EKG. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. We'll start by checking the obvious candidates. Right-click your EKG file and select Open With. If CardioSoft ECG Viewer is installed, use that. If not, choose another program. A simple test sequence will get results. If your EKG file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, opening an EKG software. Identify the source EKG equipment and use its associated software for viewing. GE Muse, Philips IntelliSpace, ECG, and similar clinical systems display EKG files with full diagnostic capabilities. The software shows waveforms with measurement tools, rhythm analysis, and report generation for clinical documentation. Next, using open source tools. Install ECG Viewer, Sierra ECG, or similar open source EKG viewers for cross-platform analysis. These tools support common formats like SCP ECG and XML AECG, enabling waveform visualization without proprietary software. They suit research environments and educational use for ECG analysis. Finally, converting between formats. Use conversion tools to transform EKG files between different formats. The Sierra ECG library converts Philips XML to other formats, while specialized medical informatics tools handle conversions between SCP ECG, DICOM ECG, and XML representations. This enables cross-system data sharing and long-term archival. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.